Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a tomato, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to make is make the top part of our tomato. So that's going to be a star shape. So let's make a line and another line. So it's an upside down V. Then we're going to come out with another line this way and this way. And then we're going to come down and come down. And then we're going to come out, and then we're going to come in, and then we're going to connect these two lines together. That's the top part of our tomato. Let's make the actual tomato down here. So we're going to make a shape that looks like this. It's like an oval. And so this is the part of the tomato that we eat. Now I think it will be cute if we make some eyes on our tomato, because this is going to be a cartoon tomato. So any type of eyes that you'd like to make would be just fine. And we can also make a cute little smile. Coming out of the top of our tomato, let's make a small oval that we fill in with our marker. And then let's make a stem. Attached to this stem, what we can do is we can make the potato plant. So we can start at the bottom, and it doesn't have to be super straight. We can go like this, and then we can create some leaves for our tomato plant. It's up to you however you'd like to make leaves. And if even you see a leaf on your tomato plant, maybe you can take a look at it and draw that type of a leaf if you'd like. We can make some foliage down here at the bottom. And then if you'd like to put some maybe clouds in the sky, or maybe some butterflies or some birds, it's completely up to you. I think I'm going to make a few little clouds in the sky behind my tomato, maybe a small one right here, a small cloud. There you go. There's your tomato. I hope you like him. I'll see you next time.